Today, I've got something a little different, but seriously fun. These aren't your everyday gadgets. These are game-changing Amazon finds for 2025, from futuristic cameras to robot buddies and tools straight out of sci-fi. Whether you're a content creator, a tech-loving parent, or just someone who loves discovering awesome things, this list will blow your mind. All gadgets are linked below with live Amazon deals. Now let's jump into the top 5 coolest Amazon gadgets you'll want in 2025. Number 5. Insta360 Ace Pro, your AI-powered adventure cam. Starting strong, this is the Insta360 Ace Pro, and it might just be the smartest action camera on the planet. It rocks a flagship 1.13-inch sensor paired with a cutting-edge 5-nanometer AI chip, which means better low light, clearer motion, and insane detail even in chaos. And get this, it's got a Leica lens, records 4K at 120 FPS, and supports active HDR for truly cinematic shots. You also get a 2.4-inch flip touchscreen, gesture control, magnetic mounts, and pure video mode for shooting in total darkness with AI noise reduction. Plus, built-in flow state stabilization keeps your footage buttery smooth, even while snowboarding or skydiving. It's waterproof up to 33 feet and cold-proof down to -20 degrees. Buy it if you love travel, extreme sports, or vlogging on the go. Skip if you're just recording Zoom calls or cat videos. This is overkill. Number 4. Zhiyun Smooth 5S AI Smartphone Filmmaking Reinvented. Coming in at 4 is a filmmaker's dream, the Zhiyun Smooth 5S AI smartphone gimbal. This beast features gesture-controlled AI tracking, no app needed. Just wave your hand and it starts following you. You can record solo from anywhere, no camera crew required. Add a built-in high-powered fill light, plus optional magnetic lights for pro-level control. With a 360-degree unlimited rotation, full keyboard-style control panel, and orthogonal 3-axis stabilization, your shots go from shaky phone cam to buttery cinematic. Grab this if you're a mobile content creator, filmmaker, or social media pro. Skip if you don't shoot videos or never leave auto mode. Number 3. Elic, your desktop robot buddy. Now this one's just plain fun. Meet Elic, the emotional robot pet for kids and grown-ups. He reacts to touches, lifts, taps, and even gets grumpy if ignored. Touch his head, belly, or back, and watch his mood shift. He can dance, play games, and make your desk feel alive. Best part? No Wi-Fi, no Bluetooth, no app, just power on and play. And if you grab 2 or more Elics, they'll interact, chat, argue, or party together. With frequent firmware updates, he keeps learning new tricks. It's like having a mini Pixar character in real life. Perfect gift for tech lovers, kids, or anyone who talks to their coffee mug. Skip if you prefer quiet desks or hate cute robots. Number 2. Lumi Mini, portable sunlight for your desk. Feeling the winter blues or dragging through late nights, the Lumi Mini is your light therapy lifesaver. It pumps out 10,000 lux of daylight in a compact frame, designed to mimic natural sunlight and boost energy, mood, and focus, especially when your real sun is MIA. Use it for just 30 to 60 minutes a day and you'll feel the difference. Perfect for your desk, nightstand, or dorm room setup. At just 9.5 by 6.3 inches, it's incredibly portable and stylish enough to blend into any workspace. Ideal for students, night shift workers, and anyone fighting seasonal slumps. Skip if you live at the beach year-round. Lucky you! Number 1. Excelabs Electric Precision Screwdriver Kit, the DIY power tool of the future. And finally, this thing looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. It's the Excelabs Electric Precision Screwdriver Kit and its next-level DIY gear. It includes 160 magnetic bits, 8 extra tools, 3 adjustable torque levels, and a 500 mAh rechargeable battery that powers through 260 screws on one charge. From phones and laptops to watches and cameras, this kit has everything, even a spacecraft-inspired flip cover and intuitive power indicators. It's portable, powerful, and perfect for tinkerers, repair pros, or anyone who likes taking things apart and hopefully putting them back together. Get it if you love fixing gadgets or want a killer gift for any tech geek. Skip it if your tool drawer still has only duct tape and a spoon. So there you have it, 5 amazing Amazon gadgets in 2025 that combine smart design, useful features, and a whole lot of fun. I dropped links to every item in the description. Check them out while they're still in stock. Tell me in the comments, which one would you actually buy? Smash like if this list blew your mind. Subscribe for more no-fluff tech reviews and gadget drops every week. Until next time, choose smart, live smarter, and I'll catch you in the next one.